Okay. Gunmetal rod, 20 diameter, crude at the end, passes through a steel tube 25 and 30 internal and external diameter respectively. The nuts on the rod are screwed tightly home at the ends of the tube. To stop, find the intensity of stress in each metal when the common temperature rises by 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, coefficient of expansion for steel it is 6 into 10 raised to minus 6, and coefficient of expansion for gunmetal is 10 into 10 raised to minus 6. And modulus of elasticity for steel it is 200 GPa, and modulus of elasticity for gunmetal it is 100 GPa. Okay, so first of all, write down the given data for that. So first of all, the diameter of gunmetal it is given, that is dg is equal to 20 mm. Then diameter of external diameter of steel tube, that is capital ds is equal to, it is given 30 mm. And internal diameter of steel tube, it is small ds is equal to, it is given 25 mm. Okay, the next one, it is given temperature, that is T is equal to, it is given T is equal to 50 degree, sorry, 200 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees. Then coefficient of thermal expansion for steel it is, so that is, it will be denoted by alpha s. Alpha s is equal to, it is given alpha s is equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 6, 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Okay, the next coefficient of thermal expansion for gunmetal, that is alpha g, is denoted by alpha z is equal to, given alpha z is equal to, it will be 10 into 10 raised to minus 6, 10 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Okay, then next one, it is modulus of elasticity for steel, es it is given 200 GPa, 200 GPa. Convert it is in Newton per mm square, that is 200 into 10 raised to the power 3 Newton per mm square. 10 raised to the power 3, it is in Newton per mm square. Newton per mm square. Okay. Then modulus of elasticity for gun, it is given Eg is equal to, that is 100 GPa. 100 GPa. Convert it is in Newton per mm square, that is 100 into 10 raised to the power 3 Newton per mm square. Newton per mm. Newton per mm square. Okay. And find out the area of cross-sectional area of gunmetal, that is Ag is equal to, it is pi by 4, pi into pi into pi into pi into d, pi into d, pi into d, dg, that is diameter of gun, it is given divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, is equal to pi into pi into pi into, so diameter of gun, it is 25 mm, 20 mm. So pi into 20 square divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. So it will be get area of gunmetal. So Ag is equal to, Ag is equal to, Ag is equal to, Ag is equal to pi into 20 square divided by 4. So 314.159, 9 mm square. Okay. Then area of steel. Now area of steel, that is AS is equal to, it is hollow circular tube, so pi into in bracket ds square, external diameter of steel tube, that is ds square minus small ds square minus small ds square divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 is equal to is equal to is equal to pi into pi into pi into capital ds square, that is external diameter, it is external diameter of tube, it is 30 square 30 square 30 square minus 25 square, so minus 25, that is internal diameter, it is 25 square 25 square divided by 4. Okay, 30 it is external diameter and 25 it is internal diameter of steel. Okay, diameter of steel. So it will be get pi into 30 square minus 25 square divided by 4, 215 215.98 mm square Okay, so this one it is, I will note down this one, it is kg is equal to, it will be 314.15 and as is equal to, and as is equal to it will be 215.98. Okay, so these are the external internal diameter. Okay. The next write down, so steel rod if it is free to expand, if it's free to expand 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 steel rod, sorry, gun metal gun metal gun metal will be will be will be more expansion expansion than steel rod than steel rod steel rod. So 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 so, so gun rod will try pull to steel rod pull to steel rod steel rod and 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 steel rod try to try to try to push to gun metal try to push to gun metal gun metal gun metal. Therefore 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 steel rod, therefore in steel rod, tension load, and in the in gunmetal, compression load will become compression load, therefore in steel, therefore in therefore in steel rod, therefore in steel rod, therefore in steel rod, tension load, and in gunmetal compression load. So because of composite, because of composite steel in tension, equal to gun metal in compression, So stress in steel is equal to sigma s into sigma s into as is equal to sigma g into ag, sigma g into ag, okay. So sigma s is equal to what will become? Sigma s is equal to stress in steel is equal to ag by as, by as by as into stress in gunmetal, write down sigma is equal to, write down here sigma is equal to so area of gun it is 314.15 divided by area of steel it is 21 area of steel it is 215.98 into sigma d into sigma tracing gun. So sigma s is equal to 314.15 divided by 15.98. It will be 1.45 sigma, 1.45 sigma, 1.45 sigma. Okay. So stress in steel is equal to 1.45 sigma. Okay. Note down this value here. Sigma s is equal to 1.45 sigma, 1.45 sigma, okay. Sigma g. So now next it will be total strain. We know that total strain is equal to ES plus EG. ES plus EG is equal to T in bracket alpha g. First of all, take alpha g. Coefficient of thermal expansion of gun it is more. That's why we will take first alpha g minus alpha s. Coefficient of thermal expansion of steel alpha s is T. Okay. So ES means what? Trace means it is sigma s divided by E. Es means it is sigma s divided by E. Trace by modulus of electricity. Trace by modulus of electricity, that is Es. 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 Then plus Eg is sigma G tracing gun divided by Eg divided by Eg divided by Eg divided by Eg is equal to T in bracket alpha s minus alpha G minus alpha s, alpha G minus alpha s, coefficient of thermal expansion of gun minus coefficient of thermal expansion of T. Okay, put all this value here. So put all this value. Sigma s, it is unknown. Sigma s is this one, it is also. So sigma s divided by Es, it is known value. Es, it is 200 into 10 raised to the power 3. 200 into 10 raised to the power 3. Then plus sigma G divided by 100 into 10 raised to the power divided by 100 into 10 raised to the power 3 is equal to T, it is 200 in bracket alpha s, it is alpha G, it is 10 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 minus, and alpha s, it is 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Okay, write down. Let's simplify this equation. So now sigma s, in terms of sigma s, it will be 1 divided by 200 into 10 raised to the power 3. It will be 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 sigma s. In terms of sigma s, then plus sigma g, it is 1 divided by 100 into 10 raised to the power 3. That will be 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. That is sigma g is equal to so this one, it is 10 minus 6, it will be 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 into 200. It will be 8 into 10 raised to the minus 4. 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. So we know that sigma s is equal to 1.4 sigma g. Okay, sigma s is equal to, it is 1.4 sigma g. So put this in this equation, putting equation number 1. Okay, put this value in equation number 1. Okay, put here. So sigma s is equal to 1.545 sigma g. So 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 into 1.45. 1.4. So 7.25 into 10 raised to the power minus 6, 10 raised to the power minus 6 sigma g, sigma g, sigma g, sigma g plus 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 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 sigma g, sigma g, sigma g is equal to I will erase this one part. So is equal to, I will write down it, this one at the bottom side, is equal to 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. Okay. So in terms of sigma g, it will be 7.25 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 plus 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. In terms of sigma g, it will be 1 point 7.25 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 plus 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. So 1.725 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 into sigma g is equal to 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. It will get sigma g stress in gun. Sigma g is equal to 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 divided by 1.725 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. So sigma g is equal to 46.37 MPa. Okay, sigma g. Now sigma s is equal to, it will be sigma s is equal to 1.45. Sigma s is equal to, it will be 1.45 sigma g. 1.45 into sigma g tracing current. So is equal to 1.45 into 1.45 into 46.37 into 1.45 into 46.37, so it is 67.24 MPa. So stress in steel and stress in gas. This one it is stress in steel, stress in gun, and this one it is stress in steel. That is sigma s is equal to, you can write down here, sigma s is equal to 67.24 MPa. 67.24 MPa. That is Newton per mm square. Okay. So this one it is stress in steel and stress in gun. Okay.